Well, I keep searching and finding new ones. This is NetEnt, and this is Jackhammer 4 Chasing the Dragon. Yes. Please be an intro. Oh, fucking weak. Looked like it was going to do an intro, didn't it? 20p is the stake. And we're going to do 50 spins once I reset my counter. It's done. Spacebar works. Lovely. Oh my god. There you. We got a scatter on the first one. Is it 3 scatters to get the bonus? It's not. Fuck. Hello. It keeps holding. Yes. Do we get the times 2? No. This is weird. Like it. We need 5 scatters. That's what we need. I can see it on the right hand side. It says 5. There you go. See, when we get one, it goes whoosh on the right hand side, top right. There's 2. Yeah, we're working it out. Munge. We've got Munge. Music's fair sick. The slot's pretty cool as well. Munge. Munge. Keep going. Yes. Nice. I don't know if that was a good symbol or not. All right, so the if you get enough scatters, yes, baby cakes, cheap pays well. This spins nice and fast. Spin 25 halfway through. I said the music's good, isn't it? The music's good. There we go. Yeah. More. More. At least the respins are free. Yes. Oh, close. Closest I've ever been. That's the tease. Oh. Yes. Damn you. Second tease back to back. That's how you get the bonus. You need all the scatters. Oh. Spin 40. 10 left. 10 to go. Are you liking it? I'm liking it. Damn. Oh, here we go. Oh. Yes, chance. Yes. Damn you. Stop teasing me. Well. Running out of spin. Spin 49. Definitely feeling fine. I've enjoyed it. Last spin. Overall, I've really enjoyed it. Even though we're £5.96 down out the £10 through, I did enjoy it. I like the mechanics. It was fun. So yeah, kudos to you guys. Nice lot.